Most people start budgeting with excitement, but within a few weeks, they give up. Why? Because they fall into the same 5 common traps. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 budgeting mistakes beginners make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Budgeting isn't about restricting your life, it's about giving your money a purpose. But when you don't approach it correctly, it can feel overwhelming, stressful, and sometimes even pointless. Let's make sure you don't repeat these mistakes. Mistake 1. Not tracking expenses. The first mistake is not tracking your expenses. So many beginners set a budget but never actually check where their money is going. Without tracking, you're budgeting blindly. Even small daily purchases like snacks, coffee, or apps add up quickly. To avoid this, start writing down every expense, whether in a notebook, spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. Once you can see your spending habits clearly, you'll know exactly where to cut back. Mistake 2. Setting unrealistic budgets. The second mistake is setting unrealistic budgets. Beginners often try to cut out every non-essential expense at once, thinking it will help them save faster. But in reality, this only makes the budget impossible to stick to. Instead, make your budget realistic. Allow yourself a small amount for fun or leisure. When your budget feels balanced, you're more likely to stick to it for the long term. Mistake 3. Ignoring debt and credit cards. The third mistake is ignoring debt. Many people focus only on daily expenses and completely forget that credit card interest and loan payments eat away at their income. This can silently drain your budget. To fix this, include debt payments as a top priority in your budget. Even small extra payments toward debt can save you hundreds of dollars in interest over time. Mistake 4 and 5. No emergency fund plus not reviewing budget. The fourth mistake is not saving for emergencies. Without an emergency fund, one surprise expense, like a medical bill or car repair, can destroy your budget. The fifth mistake is not reviewing your budget. Life changes every month, and if your budget doesn't adapt, it becomes useless. To avoid these, always set aside at least a small portion of your income for emergencies. And remember to review your budget every month, adjust it as your income, expenses, and goals change. By avoiding these 5 mistakes, you'll not only stick to your budget but also start building real financial freedom.